Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the Transformers Akari Tomy War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy. Excuse me. Bailmaster Decepticon Blowpipe, which is the WFC-S fleet, so third one in the lineup, aka a Target Master. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, back to the review. So what I was going to say before my camera caught on me is, you kind of see the Decepticon logo there. You see the Autobot logo there. You see this kind of like Trident logo, or faction right there. That is supposed to be their Cybertronian version of who they are. So like here, human, Earthen, we kind of know, hey, that symbol means Autobot. But if we were on Cybertron and we were Cybertronian robots, this would be the Autobot symbol. Just like how we know the Decepticon symbol, this would be the Decepticon faction. So, the way how I'm taking it is, these are the standard Earth factions that we know, Autobot and Decepticon. And this is their version of what they would look like if they were on Cybertron. So the Cybertronian version. So, Autobot's got this little trident symbol, while Decepticons kind of got this NASA spaceship shuttle type of version. Yeah. I don't really get it, but that's kind of where they're going with it. Hopefully, Netflix does a way better job than Mishima did. Now, let's say Transformers, Combine Wars was okay. Transformers Titans Return was okay. But my god, Transformers Power of the Primes was just horrible. The Primar was never used. The Prime Core Masters were never shown in the show. Some of the Transformers in the toy line never even made it to, the show. So, very, very inaccurate show there. And the story dialogue was drab and boring. And the episodes were inconsistent. Episode 1 would be maybe 3 minutes long, while episode 2 would be 20 minutes long. What the F? Seriously, what the F? And not only that, there comes episode 1, 2, 4, 6. You're like, wait, what happened to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Nope, they just went 1, 2, 4, 6. It's like they didn't even know how to count their numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. That's my phone. That's annoying, but some Facebook text if you're wondering what that ping was. Yeah, like I said, this is how, I'm lifting it up for their Cybertronian, not Cybertronian, their Bail names, but they turn to their Target Master forms, So yeah, let's get a good little look at this little feller. Yeah. So, he looks a little bit better here with the face paint. The face detail.